all are doing great. Welcome to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter number 14, that is factorization. So starting with the exercise 14.4, question number 1 says, find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. So part 1 is 4 bracket x minus 5 bracket close equals to 4x minus 5. So we have to solve this statement. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So first we have to take left hand side, that is 4 bracket x minus 5. And if we solve this, we will have the value 4x minus 20, that is 4 multiplied by x we will get 4x, 4 multiplied by 5 we will get 20. So this value, that is left hand side, is not equal to right hand side. Hence the correct mathematical statement is 4 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. That is this. Moving to a second question which says, find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. X bracket 3x plus 2. Is this equals to 3x square plus 2? We have to find yes or no. So left hand side is x bracket 3x plus 2. Now solving this we will get x into 3x, that is 3x square, plus x into 2 we will get 2x. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. This is not equal. The correct statement is x bracket 3x plus 2 is equals to 3x square plus 2x. Moving to a third question which says, find and correct the errors in the following statement. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. LHS is 2x plus 3y which is not equal to 5xy. Hence the correct statement is LHS, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y only. Moving to a fourth question which says, find and correct the errors in the following statement. So x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Is it so? So if we add 3 plus 2, that is 5 plus 1, 6x. So it means x plus 2x plus 3x, that is LHS is not equal to RHS, that is equals to 6x. Moving to a fifth question which says, find and correct the errors in the following statement. 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to 0. Is it so? So first of all we have to take LHS, that is 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y. So by adding all these, like 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8y. We will get 8y minus 7y. So we will get 1. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement is 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equals to 1. Moving to our sixth question which says, find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. 3x plus 2x equals to 5x square. So LHS we have to write first, that is 3x plus 2x which is equals to 5x. But here in right hand side it is given 5x square. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement is 3x plus 2x equals to 5x. Moving to a seventh question which says, find and correct the errors in the following statement. 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7. Is it equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 7? So first of all we have to take LHS, that is 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7. Now solving this we will get 2 into 2, 4, x into x, x square, 2 4s are 8, x and again x plus 7. It means LHS is not equals to RHS. So the correct statement is 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7 is equal to 4x square plus 8x plus 7. Moving to our eighth question which says, find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. 2x whole square plus 5x is equal to 4x plus 5x, or we can say 9x. So taking LHS, that is 2x whole square plus 5x equals to 2 into 2, 4x square plus 5x, that is 5x. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement is 2x whole square plus 5x is equal to 4x whole square plus 5x. Moving to our ninth question, which says find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. 3x plus 2 whole square is equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Is it so? So taking LHS, that is 3x plus 2 whole square, we will solve this by applying a formula, that is it is given a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So applying this formula, we will get a is given 3x, so 3x square plus 2 into a into b. A is 3x, b is 2. So this plus b square, that is 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 9x square plus 12x plus 4 equals to RHS. Is it so? No. So it is not equals to RHS. The correct statement is 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Moving to our 10th question, which says find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement, substituting x is equal to minus 3. So x square plus 5x plus 4 gives minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 3 plus 4 is equals to 9 plus 2 plus 4, that is 15. So taking our LHS, which is x square plus 5x plus 4, now putting x as minus 3, that is minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. Here it is given. Now solving this, we will get minus 2, which is not equals to RHS, that is 15. So the correct statement is x square plus 5x plus 4. This one is equals to minus 2, not 15. Moving to our B part, which says x square minus 5x plus 4 gives minus 3 whole square minus 5 minus 3 plus 4, that is minus 2. Is it so? Taking LHS, x square minus 5x plus 4, now putting the value of minus 3 which was given in previous page. So minus 3 whole square minus 5 minus 3 plus 4 will give us 28, which is not equals to minus 2, that is RHS. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the correct statement is x square minus 5x plus 4 is equals to 28. Moving to our third part, which says x square plus 5x gives minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 3 equals to minus 9 minus 15, that is minus 24. Is it so? So taking LHS equals to x square plus 5x by putting the value which is given in the previous page, that is x is equal to minus 3. So minus 3x whole square plus 5 into minus 3 equals to 9 minus 15, that is minus 6, which means LHS is not equals to RHS, and the correct statement is x square plus 5x is equals to minus 6. Moving to our 11th question, which says find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. Y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 9. So taking LHS, that is y minus 3 whole square, solving this again putting the formula, that is a minus b here. A is this, b is this, and minus is here. So a minus b whole square will give you formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square y square minus 2 into y into 3 plus 3 whole square will give you this statement, that is y square minus 6y plus 9, which is not equals to RHS. So the correct statement is y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 6y plus 9. Moving to our 12th question, which says find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. So first part says z plus 5 whole square equals to z square plus 25, like z plus 5, that is whole square, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula. So by applying this formula, we can have z square plus 10z plus 25. So the correct statement is z plus 5 whole square is equal to z square plus 10z plus 25. Moving to our 13th question, which says find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement, which says 2a plus 3b, a minus b is equals to 2a square minus 3b square. So taking LHS, that is 2a plus 3b and a minus b, we can solve it and we will get the formula 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab minus 3b, which is not equals to RHS. So the correct statement is 2a plus 3b, a minus b is equals to 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab minus 3b. That is, we can write it in different form also, 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. Moving to our 14th question, which says find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. A plus b, a plus 2 equals to a square plus 8. LHS equals to a plus 4, a minus 2 equals to a bracket a plus 2 plus 4 bracket a plus 2. Now a square, we have to solve this statement and we will get a square plus 6a plus 8, which is not equals to RHS. So statement which is equals to LHS is a plus b, a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 6a plus 8. Moving to our 15th question, which says find the incorrect errors in the following statement. A minus 4, a minus 2, that is equals to a square minus 8. Is it so? So taking again LHS, which is a minus 4, a minus 2. Solving this, we will get a square minus 6a plus 8. So the correct statement is a minus 4, a minus 2, that is LHS, is equal to a square minus 6a plus 8. That is RHS. Moving to our 16th question, which says find and correct the statement. 3x square divided by 3x square, which is equals to 0. So LHS is 3x square, 3x square. Now cutting this, we will get 1. So LHS, we will get the right hand side equals to 1. Therefore, LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is equals to 1. Moving to our 17th question, which says find and correct the errors. 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square equals to 2. So taking again LHS, that is 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square. Now solving this, we will get 1, not 2. So correct statement is 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square equals to 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. This is the correct statement. Moving to our 18th question, which says find and correct the errors. 3x divided by 3x plus 2 equals to 1 by 2. Is it so? Again taking this statement, that is LHS, which is 3x divided by 3x plus 2, and it is not equal to 1 by 2. It is equals to 3x divided by 3x plus 2 equals to 3x divided by 3x plus 2. Moving to our 19th question, which says find and correct the errors. 3 divided by 4x plus 3 equals to 1 by 4x. So LHS is 3 divided by 4x plus 3, which is not equals to RHS. So the correct statement is 3 divided by 4x plus 3 is equal to 3 divided by 4x plus 3 only. Moving to our 20th question, which says find and correct the errors. 4x plus 5 divided by 4x equals to 5. Again taking the left hand side, solving it, we will get 1 plus 5 upon by 4x. It means this, that is LHS, is not equals to RHS, and LHS is equals to RHS, that is 1 by 1 plus 5 divided by 4x. Moving to our 21 and last question, which says find and correct the errors, that is 7x plus 5 divided by 5, which is equals to 7x. Now taking again LHS, that is 7x plus 5 divided by 5 equals to 7x divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 5. It will give you 7x upon 5 plus 1. That is not equals to RHS. Now the correct statement of 7x plus 5 upon 5 equals to 7x upon 5 plus 1. That is all for this exercise. If you have any doubt related to any question discussed above, please put your queries in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasim Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself. Thank you.